Okay, good morning, students. Today we are going to deal the topic in distribution channel of marketing management of MBA second semester, that is benefits or advantages of marketing channels. Okay, so in this we are going to deal. We have did most of the topics related to distribution channel, and we have finished almost all the topics. We have covered all the topics which is being there in your syllabus related to the distribution channel. Okay, and today we are going to know the advantages or benefits of marketing channel, okay, or distribution channel. So in this first of all, we just come to know that in the benefits part, what are those benefits which is being provided by the marketing channels to the market. Okay, in this there are two. It is being divided into two kinds of services which is being provided by the distribution channel. As we know about the distribution channel or marketing channel or intermediaries, they don't produce or they don't manufacture any of the products. Their function, their activity is only related to the service part. Okay, what they used to do, they just purchase the products from the manufacturers, and after that they just push that products or service to the other intermediaries, to the other middlemen or the other distribution channel. That is the only function of distribution channel or marketing channels. Okay, so in this we have to study the benefits in two parts. The first is services to producers. Okay, following let us know there are various main services offered by channel members to producers. What are those? Number one, transporting. Number one is what? The very first one is what? Transporting. So transporting is one of the important function, is one of the important activity of distribution channel. Okay, and here the services which is being provided to the producers by the middlemen or the distribution channels, they are the number one, transporting. Okay, in this, middlemen are actively involved in transporting goods from producers to consumers. Okay, channel members carry out transporting or physical movement of products. Channel members make all necessary arrangements to transport products from the producer to the distribution centers. Exactly, this is what the very first benefit. The next benefit is what? Place constraints. Exactly, the second benefit is what? Place constraints. In this we can see, due to active role of middlemen, place constraints can be removed. Exactly, products can be made available at all the places where consumers reside. Thus it increases place utility. This is what the very important benefit which should be given by the intermediary to the producers is related to the place constraint parts. Okay, the third one is concentration on production. Exactly, since producers are not required to carry out distribution activities, they can concentrate their full attention on production side. Production efficiency can be improved. They are able to sell products of better quality at low price. Producers can improve their competitive strengths. This is what the concentration on production. This is what the very third, that is concentration on production, that how we have to concentrate, basically how the producer should have to concentrate only on the production activities. Okay, so if the benefit related to the intermediaries are being taken by the intermediaries, then the producers can focus more and more, concentrate more and more on the production activities. Okay, fourth one is what? Information link. channel members are among the most reliable sources of information. Exactly, they are the one of the most reliable source of information, channel members. Middlemen update companies knowledge about market. Okay, these middlemen are the only one who can update the company related to the marketing activities or the marketing scenarios. Producers can receive information about the latest developments at the marketplace. It facilitates the producers to adjust marketing strategy with market changes. Okay. Fifth one is what? Production. Middlemen, including wholesales, agents, and retailers, also carry out several marketing promotional activities on behalf of producers. They assist producers in implementing promotion strategies on one hand and perform certain promotion activities by their own on the other hand. Sales promotion activities are not possible without middlemen. Okay, so this is what the very fifth benefit. Sixth benefit is what? Processing. Okay, to enhance product utility, middlemen perform necessary processes like grading, sorting, packing, cleaning, labeling, and other similar activities. Middlemen make necessary processes to suit products with consumer needs. Thus, they try to cater consumer needs more effectively. This is what known as processing, which in most of the times the processing activities is being conducted by whom? By the intermediaries also. The seventh one is what? Negotiating. Okay, they negotiate on a company's behalf. They communicate terms and conditions with the buyers and try to arrive at transaction. Virtually, a company cannot directly negotiate with customers. Exactly, they are the negotiators. Company can't directly negotiate with the customers. Who? These intermediaries only. Okay. Eighth one is what? Ordering and financing. Okay. Eighth benefit is ordering and financing. Apart from important services, middlemen facilitate producers by placing advanced orders. Producers can find it easy to make successful production planning. In the same way, they also pay their bills in advance. They can meet their working capital needs. Many times, middlemen with sound financing position can lend money at a very liberal terms and conditions. Exactly. Ninth one is what? Risk bearing. Okay. Once they place orders, all the risk associated with products are borne by middlemen. Producers are not required to worry. This is being done when the product is being sold out once from the manufacturing unit side. Then all the tensions, all the worries, all the risk are being borne by whom? By the middlemen. Okay, and the 10th one is what? Economy. Middlemen can provide better services to consumers than producers. Compared to commission changed or profit margin added by middlemen, more services are provided. Company can hardly do the same at the same rate. This is what the 10th service which is being given to the producers from the middlemen. Okay, now the other part of benefits is related to the services to consumers or users. Okay, these middlemen are the only one who provide lots of services to the customers because they meet customers directly. They are the first hand person who who are going to meet to the customers in the market. Okay, so now in this, what are those? Let us list those services which is being provided by the intermediaries to these consumers, to the consumers or the users of the products or services. Okay, the number one is what? Credit facility. What? Credit facility. Middlemen sell products to consumers on credit. Most of the time we go to the retail outlets and we do, if we at that moment if we don't have the money, appropriate money nearby in our neighboring retail outlets, then they give the product to us at the credits, on credits also. Okay, consumers can postpone payment for a certain time. Consumers are not deprived of the necessary products due to temporary financing problems. They also help consumers borrow money from various sources. Exactly, most of the time they help us to borrow the money from various sources like financial institutions. Okay, finances would be provided to us. Next, better selection. Wholesalers and retailers sell products of many companies, so consumers find it easy to select the most suitable products from any retail outlet nearby their residence. Third one is what? Educating and communicating. Okay, consumers can get necessary information about products, price and related benefits from middlemen. Also, middlemen educate and train consumers about how to use products safely. Okay, fourth one is what? Easy accessibility. Okay, wholesalers and retailers are spread everywhere. They are scattered according to the consumer density, so it is more comfortable for consumers to buy products of the reputed companies anywhere. Okay, this is what? Easy accessibility is. Fifth one is what? After sales services. Okay, middleman provides a number of post sale services to consumers, including home delivery, installation, repairing, exchanging and replacing, providing accessories and many more. Such services are valuable for consumers. So students, this is what the benefits of marketing channel. Okay, thank you to all of you.